SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to delete a lock screen widget on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have a widget icon on your iPhone's lock screen and you no longer wish to keep that widget, then you have a way to delete it from the phone. You can delete an iPhone's lock screen widget by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Wallpaper option from this menu. And now you just need to tap on your lock screen icon that appears under the current wallpaper. That's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. So now you just need to find one of the widgets that you want to delete, and then you can tap on it. And then you can tap the little minus icon that appears at the top left of that widget, and that will remove it from the lock screen. If you want to add additional widgets at this point, you can do so, or you can continue deleting more widgets. Once everything looks the way that you want it to look, just tap out of this menu here, select Done at the top right corner of the screen, and now your lock screen is going to be updated with the removed widget that you just got rid of.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.